Oke guys, kembali lagi di channel teknik sepeda siantar. Nah, di sini saya akan memberitahukan ya penyakitnya saat posisi kita kendara ini sepedanya kita goet. Nah, dia di situ posisinya itu terasa bunyi ya, kayak ibaratkan bunyi besi bersentuhan dengan besi, bergesek gitu ya, serak 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 serak. Nah, itu terasa banget. Di sini saya menggunakan
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, life's nuisance. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I did last shot, Michael J. Wayne on not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost without split when I miss the old year. We died with the purpose, all the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off guys to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn as bad. I had to give an argument, now I'm picking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every part of it. Flesh of blood, you never know what's on. With it back to the break, cause I see where I'm at. I'ma fight like a man, I'm a beast. I'm not thinking of the meanness. Trying to see how you make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Oke, jangan lupa di like, share, dan subscribe agar channel Teknik Sepeda Sender akan lebih semangat lagi memberikan ilmu-ilmu yang ada di bagian sepeda, mobilan aki, sepeda listrik, dan sepeda BMX. Thank you, goodbye.